How to convince your team to learn TypeScript. Part 1. Most of the tools that we use on the web these days have been invented back to the 90s when we were using the Netscape Navigator to view websites. We couldn't even imagine back then that the internet will become so popular. You know, back then we were using these modems to connect to the internet that were making this characteristic noise. Yeah, exactly this one. And of course, JavaScript has been improved over the years, and new versions and new features have been added, but the core language remains the same. It's not helpful, it's not helping the developers to create advanced applications like Netflix or Spotify. So we need something more advanced, a better development experience. And that's why TypeScript is a good candidate, because it adds types to JavaScript. But more on types in the next part. To learn more about TypeScript, you can check out my intro video and subscribe for more.